This video is about cutting down a large oak tree with a 14-inch electric Harbor Freight chainsaw. I like to use generators and electric chainsaws in general because I don't like two-cycle engines. They're always breaking down. Kept this shot in here just to disorient everyone. Mental note, always cut the bottom and then the top of any branches. I've cut just from the top and it's not great. And that was so cool. Let's see it again. I have two cameras in this video, so you can see it from the perspective on my head as well as the perspective from afar. And here I am just cutting all this stuff up. All that's going to be used for turning bowls and such. This branch is so large that I got spooked and used my arborist harness just in case. Again, cutting from the bottom. It's a big branch. And then cutting from the top. This thing is probably about 70 feet long or so. Again, worth seeing twice. And I'm just parting this out now. Here I'm just cutting a couple branches on the side, nothing special. And now I'm cutting the wedge in the front to actually cut the entire tree down. This was a process because this 14-inch chainsaw is nowhere near large enough. And now cutting from the back. Here it comes. This one is special. I actually have 3 camera shots. Here I am just behind it as I'm doing the last cuts. And this one is from below with an old cell phone. So this was a big tree. You can see a close-up of the rings here. This is a red oak. Here's a little tour around the tree. And here I'm cutting this into pieces. That's at 32 times the normal speed. A few other shots. And here you can see this is the electric chainsaw label from Harbor Freight. It's about $40. And this is also a Harbor Freight generator. And my favorite feature of that is that you can turn off the gas. It has a valve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, please subscribe and like.